want to own one-bedroom apartment and ready to move in Mahmutlar Region of Alanya? Hello everyone from beautiful Alanya. I'm Mesih and today I brought one-bedroom apartment in Mahmutlar Region of Alanya with full facilities and ready to move. Let's go and see this apartment together. So we are in 11th floor in front of our one-bedroom apartment. As you can see, there is also a fire exit and this is our entrance. Open kitchen system is available and cabinets are really high quality and you can put white goods and all here. And from entrance you have also the smart home system which you can activate it. And also we have our bathroom over here. Our bedroom is here and we have panoramic windows and also we have direct access to balcony. From balcony we have sea view and also Alanya Castle view. The project is about 600 meters to the beach and just next to Atatürk Road. And also we have floor heating system available which you can use it. And this is our living room. So this is our one-bedroom apartment, around 55 square meter, 11th floor with full facility. Thanks so much for staying till the end of this video with me. See you on next video with new opportunity.